Today we talk about how can you find your blocked accounts on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on moderation, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on blockade accounts here, just click on it. Then here you will find all blockade accounts you have. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.